This is how you recover deleted photos on your iPhone. First, you want to find the Photos app. Mine's right there. If you can't see yours, you can scroll all the way to the right until you get to the app library. Tap at the top in the search, and then tap on Photos. There it is right there. Another way you can do this on your home screen, you can tap at the bottom on the search, at the spotlight search, start typing in Photos, and you'll find it. Eventually you'll find it. Tap on that to open it. The app is going to open to a recent photo or video. On the bottom left, we have this little thumbnail image icon. You want to tap on that and then tap on Collections. You're going to end up at the very top when you first do this. And if you scroll down to the very bottom, you're going to see one called Recently Deleted. Tap on that, then tap on View Album. You'll need Face ID to unlock it. And that's going to show you recently deleted items. These are automatically deleted within 30 days, but until then, they're here and ready for you to recover. On the bottom left, there's a little stack icon. If you tap on that and then tap on Filter, you can tap on Photos, and it's going to show only the photos that are in here. Now you can tap on Select. You can select the ones you want to recover. You can drag your finger across. You can select a whole bunch like this if you want. When you have selected all the ones you want to recover, tap on the three dots, tap on Recover, and they're going to be back in your photo timeline in chronological order. So wherever these were deleted from in your photo feed, that's where they're going to go back. If you got value from this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Then check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your phone. I know it sounds strange, but it's got to be done on a regular basis. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.